Hi everyone, I just want to show you how to use the AccuFile Provisional Tax module. You will find it in the menu under Tax and Processing. If you click on that link, you will find three icons here. The first one being a print sheet, which is then captured in a capture sheet, and then for the final adjustment is the adjustment sheet. Okay, so let's start with the print sheet. So if you print it, you can open it per partner. I've already opened one here for us. So you will find a list of all your clients, and you need to then print the sheet. So you can right click and print it there, and then you'll actually have to take that sheet and go into eFile and collect data, which you can then write down and which can then be just captured into the system. So you need to get the base amounts, the medical tax credit for the 6 months period, the pay as you earn, foreign taxes credits, and then also we've added the last year assessed. So you can then just write that in as well. So once someone in the office has collected this data, you can go and capture it, which will be the second button there, and it will look like this. I've already opened one for us there, an individual, and yeah, I've put in some figures. There you can see the base amount, medical tax credit pay as you earn. If there's any foreign tax credits, that can be added there, and then the last year assessed, you need to go and choose that there. Just make sure that it's not required, but it will help you a lot if you got ID numbers in for your individuals and sole proprietors. And the reason for that is that the system uses the ID number to calculate the age, and from that determine the rebate. So the ID numbers can be added in the setup menu in AccuFile. There's a place where you can add the ID numbers. It will give you a list and you can add them there. So if you don't have ID numbers or the system can't read it, there might be a mistake on the ID number. What it will do is will take the rebate amount for under 65 as a default, but then you can change it in any case. But it's good to have ID numbers in there. It's also useful in AccuFile because the system uses it then for the birthday lists and so on. Okay, so let me just take you to the last section then. Right, this is where you do the adjustments. So you can see there's my individual that's been captured. There's the amounts. So I can adjust these figures now either by a percentage. So I can say add 5% and you will see it create a new base amount, or I can type in an amount, let me say 10,000, and it will overwrite the 5% and it will just add the 10,000 to the base amount there. Okay, if I click on the little T there, it will just take my threshold amount. So in this case I'm not going to use that. Right, so I can calculate my tax. Click on the little calculator there. It will work out the tax amount in total for the year. It now can see that this person's age is 45, and it will automatically give me the correct rebate amount. But I can overwrite it here, yeah, if I want to. Okay, then it will bring in that medical credit, pay as you earn, foreign tax, and then it will work out my tax for the first period. There's a total tax, and then this is my first period. Now this amount here will then balance as, if you take the sheet, once you've done all of them, there will be a print button at the bottom, and someone can then take this and actually just go in and fill in the IRP6s and balance with this amount here. So if you know you balance with that, you make a little tick, you know you balance with this calculation, and you can go and file it. Okay, right, then if you're happy with this figure, you can email it to your client with a provisional tax letter. You can adjust this letter and customize it. I will show you now where you can do that. It's under view. Okay, then there's also a fee structure, part of the final page that you print out will be amount that you want to invoice this client for the provisional tax you've done. You can overwrite it here, and you can also set a fixed structure, fee structure, which is, I think, under either setup. I think it's under setup. You will be able to set your fee there, and it will take that as a default. But you can overwrite here. Obviously, all the firms differ now on the way that they structure the fee for provisional tax. But this is then a good way for someone to go and invoice afterwards. Okay, so I've marked now the provisional tax letter there to be emailed to this client. And once I've done this, it will make this whole line green, so that I know I'm done with that one. I can't edit it. It's already done, and it's already sent that provisional letter to the client. So I'm going to do that now for the individual here. Okay, so let's just okay, so it's done that, and then I just wanted to show you how the letter looks like. Should come through now. Let's give it a sec or so. There it comes. Okay, so yeah, you can see it, your company logo will then appear there, and this is just a standard letter. You can go and have a look at it. It's just a template that we've built in, but you can easily go and change it the way you want it, and you can do it here. Let me just show you. You go into, yeah, I think it's view, and yeah, there's the provisional letter, first letter. So there you can change it. Just be careful to change these amounts that's got this little crosses in front, because that is actual fields that takes data out of the system which you've entered. So don't bother with those ones. They should be okay. But for the text body, you can change that, and then you can just update it, and your provisional letter will be the way that you want it. Okay, and then also under the setup, I think, yeah, we've just put in a little icon there which you can set your fee structure there. Okay, so that's also something. At the moment we've got only this one. We're planning to build more fee structures in, which will automatically work for different functions, but for now we've got the provisional fee in there, so you can change that and there and update it. Okay, right, and then afterwards, if all your provisional taxes are, the emails are out and they are filed, the RP6 are filed, you need to upload those provisionals to this report here to the clients, which again an email will go out, but you can then check it from here. And let me just show you. Okay, so there's then a list of all these provisionals, and you can see which ones got RP6 uploaded to those profiles. So this is also a very nice list to check to see that that all are done. Okay, just lastly, you can also remember, you can, with this client relations tools, you can either SMS provisional tax clients in bulk. You can email them in bulk. So there's way to communicate with clients if you know, specifically for the provisional tax period that we're going to do now. Okay, thank you and good luck with doing this.